Magandang araw ho sa inyo dyan, mga kasama. So, Kuya Enzo here, right now with you guys. So, ang vlog na ito ay, ngayong araw na to ay very special sa ating mga ina, lalo na ay, this day is Mother's Day. So, itong video na to ay tatalakayin, itong video na to pala ay about sa isang Mother's Day special video. So, the rest of this video will be a tribute and a honor to my mother. So, the rest of this vlog is about my mother since today is Mother's Day. So, ngayon, every Mother's Day, pinagdiriwang natin ang araw ng ating mga ina dahil sa kanilang taus-pusong pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa atin. So, I am encouraging all of the sons out there and daughters to please kiss your moms, tell your moms, Mom, I love you, and tell to them, Happy Mother's Day. So now let me tell you the story about my mom. So this is my mom. So her name is Analisa Valiente Masisay. Siya noon ay pinanganak noong September 28, 1975 at siya ay ang aking ina. So ito ang picture ng aking mama nung siya ay bata pa at picture ng aking lola at ang aking mama. So for the rest of this video, guys, I will be showing to you about I'll be letting my mother talk to you guys. Ano ang gusto niya ipapahayag sa inyo and ano ang kanyang may gusto din siyang sasabihin sa inyo na. So, I also would like to give a shout out as well to my grandmother, Adelia Pitcher. So, siya ngayon ay nasa Amerika, ang aking lola. But, Grandma, if you're listening to this vlog, Happy Mother's Day, Grandma. I love you. So, now, hindi na din ako magtatagal. So, let's move the camera to our star. So, let's move in 3, 2, 1. Okay, everyone. So, hello. This is my mom. So, hello, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. And how are you today?
I'm good. Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
All right. So, Mama, since today is Mother's Day, what are your message to all of the mothers around the world?
Well, I would like to greet all the moms in the world. Happy Mother's Day. This is our special day, celebrating us being a mom for all our hard works and sacrifices. This is our day to celebrate. And I'm happy that I was given the opportunity to become a mom and be part of their lives, of the lives of my children.
That is really amazing, Ma. So, we're going to ask you the next question. So, let's move. Okay, Ma. So, next question. What do you want to happen to the future of our family and for us, your children?
Well, I've always wanted you, both of you, to become a Christ-centered son. Nothing is impossible if you have God in your life. You can survive in everything that you do. Just do good and us to be more faithful, and everything else will follow.
Wow, that is. Thank you so much, Ma, for that message. I really like it, and I love it so much as your son. So I will also have a final message. So what is your message to your mom, which is my grandma? So right now she's in the U.S. and she of course, guys, my grandma is coming home to the Philippines. What is your message to her on this video? So Ma, here you go.
Well, I can't wait to be with mom soon, and I'm excited to be with her. I'm sure you also guys are excited and to have more time and fun with grandma.
Well,
I love you.
Well, love you, Ma. Love you, Grandma. And thank you so much, Ma. So, alright. Thank you. And would you want to cover the camera lens?
Oh, yes, sure.
Please cover the camera lens.
Thank you.
Please up. Go. And kanina lamang din ho, guys, no? So, para ma-celebrate ang Mother's Day for my mom, so ngayon ho, we are currently here at Samal Island, from Davao to Samal. Kanina lamang ho ay pumunta kami dito mismo sa Samal at nandito kami ngayon sa Overview Resort. Kung saan ang maraming yacht at lahat, no? Maraming mga magandang tanawin dito. At saka nandiyan na aking kapatid. Hey! Sabihin mo Happy Mother's Day. Mukhang ganun yan. Yeah, let's continue. So, ayan na ho mga kababayan, no, na narinig na ho natin ang boses ng aking ina at ang kanyang mensahe sa inyong lahat. So, ngayon ay bago ako magtapos dito sa aking vlog, I would just like to say to all mothers out there in the whole world actually, sa lahat ng mga ina ngayon, to all mothers, I would just like to say Happy Mother's Day to you, to all of you out there, and thank you so much for the care and love that you have given to us. So all mothers to, including my mom and my grandma, thank you so much. And my message to my mom, I love you and thank you for the care and love. And to the patients as well. And to all mothers, and to all mothers out there, Happy Mother's Day and God bless you all. Thank you and God bless.